As a salsa dancer, maintaining good hygiene is important not only for your own well-being but also for the comfort and safety of your dance partners. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Keep a small bottle of hand sanitizer in your dance bag. Use it periodically when dancing to keep your hands clean and reduce the spread of germs. Taking a shower before dancing helps eliminate body odor and ensures you start your dance session fresh and clean. Apply a good quality antiperspirant or deodorant to control sweat and body odor. Always wear clean and fresh dance clothes. Bring a change of shirt for class if you tend to sweat heavily. Keeping a hand towel or handkerchief to dry off sweat might also come in handy. Pack a bottle of water. Hydration is necessary while dancing. Hydration helps regulate body temperature and reduces the intensity of body odor. Carry some breath fresheners. This helps create a pleasant experience for your dance partners during close interactions. Limit heavy fragrances as they can be a turnoff to others in your rotation. Keep nails clipped and hands well-groomed to avoid clawing your dance partner. Avoid wearing hooped earrings, as they can unintentionally be torn out of the ear if a finger gets caught in the hoop. Remember, good hygiene and safety practices not only contribute to a more pleasant dance experience, but also promote a healthier dance environment for everyone involved. Thanks for watching. If you like this content, please like and subscribe.
And we'll see you on the dance floor.